It's me again with Corel tips and tricks, and some of you might have recognized this design. Last week I did a video on it, and the young lady wanted to do this, and she called it a quilt, but she's just talking about like a quilt pattern. She's actually going to do it out of wood. And I don't know what her laser bed is, but I made a small laser bed like 12 by 24. And let's say she wants to do a quilt, and if you have your ratio locked, and let's say you want to make it 35 inches long. Whoop, I need to group everything together. I separated everything, so Control G to group it together. With your ratio locked, let's say she wants to make it 35 inches. Well, that's too big for her laser bed to cut out, but she's going to cut out individual pieces and put them together anyway. So then you would just use your Smart Fill tool, and she actually just emailed me, and I know she's gotten the idea. But I just kind of can confirm and maybe show you. So there's two of these. Basically, if you just do half of it, you're going to be okay, and then that'll definitely fit in her laser bed. But you need two of these because you've got two identical pieces. So I'm going to left click, right click, and before I do anything, she watched one of my other videos evidently, and she's going to use a 0.003 kerf so that the wood fits back together after the laser burns it. So we're going to go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour to the outside with square corners, 0.003. And then hit Apply. It's going to be in black. You can see it's just minute. But then if we break the contour apart and grab the center one, which is the red one, this is the new black one. Let's measure this. Look, it's 7.778. This one is 7.792, so just a hair bigger. Well, she needs two of those. So if I was going to do this and going to do it out of the same species of wood, I would hit Control D on the keyboard and then mirror it the other way, and then move that one right to there. That way you're saving wood and so on. So you would just do the same thing. You need, if you're going to make all four of these, and I would color chart this, but it doesn't really matter. She's going to have a picture of it, and you most definitely could put it back together. You just need to make sure you get all. So we're going to do this one right here and move it to our laser bed. We're going to left click, right click in red, and then we're going to contour that 0.003, go up to Object, break the contour apart, take the red one and just delete it. And now you need four of these. So you would take it, and I'd actually mirror it the other way. If you're going to do it out of the same species of wood, Control D and make a duplicate while holding down the control button or a little bit after, and then Control D, Control D. That way you're going to get them into the least amount of wood that you're going to use. And you could do, let's say that's all the color you're going to do. Well, I would definitely go through here and maybe take another color and go, well, I made this one and 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 this one. So you know what you have left. I do this a lot. So let's try to get one more in there. We can get, let's say she's going to do this one, and let's take it, it's Smart Field, bring it into our laser bed, left click, right click, and while we're doing that, we need these four that are the same. Then you're going to take this, and while you got your contour already set, it's pretty easy. Go up to Effects, break contour apart, take the red one, take your black one. Now you need four of them, so they might not all fit in this scenario, but you get the idea. And then you would just keep going and do the ones you haven't done yet. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.